Garlic has been revered for centuries, not just as a culinary delight but also as a powerful natural remedy. Historically, ancient civilizations like the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans utilized garlic for its medicinal properties, often prescribing it for various ailments, from infections to digestive issues. This rich history underscores garlic's role as a natural antibiotic, showcasing its potential to combat harmful bacteria and support overall health. In recent years, there has been a significant shift towards natural remedies as people seek alternatives to conventional medicine. With growing concerns about antibiotic resistance and the side effects of pharmaceutical drugs, many are turning to nature for solutions. Garlic, with its potent compounds like allicin, has gained attention as a viable option for enhancing immunity and promoting wellness. In this video, we will explore practical ways to incorporate garlic into your daily health routines. From simple recipes to tips on maximizing its benefits, you'll learn how to harness the power of garlic for better health. Understanding garlic's antibacterial properties. Garlic's reputation as a natural antibiotic largely stems from its active compounds, particularly allicin. When garlic is crushed or chopped, it releases allicin, which has been shown to possess potent antibacterial properties. This compound works by disrupting the cell membranes of bacteria, ultimately leading to their destruction. Numerous studies have supported garlic's effectiveness against a variety of bacterial strains. Research published in journals like the Journal of Antimicrobial Chemotherapy has demonstrated that garlic can inhibit the growth of pathogens such as E. coli and Salmonella. These findings highlight garlic's potential as a natural alternative to conventional antibiotics, especially in an era where antibiotic resistance is a growing concern. Moreover, garlic has been found to combat various types of bacteria, including both gram-positive and gram-negative strains. This broad-spectrum activity makes garlic a versatile addition to your health regimen, offering a natural way to support your immune system and fight off infections. Ways to use garlic for health benefits. Incorporating garlic into your diet can be both delicious and beneficial for your health. One of the most effective ways to harness garlic's potency is by consuming it raw. Crushing or chopping raw garlic releases allicin, maximizing its antibacterial properties. You can add minced raw garlic to salads, dressings, or even spread it on toast for a flavorful kick. If raw garlic isn't your preference, consider using garlic-infused oils. These oils are versatile and can be used in various dishes, from sautéing vegetables to drizzling over pasta. They provide a milder garlic flavor while still offering some health benefits. Just be sure to use oils made from fresh garlic for the best results. For those who dislike the taste of garlic but still want to reap its benefits, garlic supplements are a great alternative. Available in capsules or tablets, these supplements can provide the same health advantages without the strong flavor. This way, you can easily incorporate garlic into your wellness routine, no matter your taste preferences. Garlic recipes for natural healing. Incorporating garlic into your meals can be both tasty and beneficial for your health. One easy recipe to boost your immunity is garlic soup. To make it, sauté a whole head of minced garlic in olive oil until fragrant. Add vegetable broth, a splash of lemon juice, and your choice of vegetables. Simmer for about 20 minutes, then blend until smooth. This comforting soup is not only delicious but also packed with immune-boosting properties. Another simple remedy is a garlic and honey mixture, perfect for soothing sore throats. Combine crushed garlic cloves with raw honey in a small jar and let it sit for a few hours. Take a teaspoon of this mixture as needed to help alleviate throat discomfort while benefiting from garlic's antibacterial properties. For a flavorful addition to your meals, try a garlic salad dressing. Whisk together minced garlic, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and a pinch of salt and pepper. This dressing not only enhances the taste of your salads but also adds a healthful boost with every bite. Precautions and considerations. While garlic offers numerous health benefits, it's important to be aware of potential side effects and interactions. Some individuals may experience allergic reactions to garlic, which can manifest as skin rashes, digestive issues, or respiratory problems. If you notice any adverse effects after consuming garlic, it's best to discontinue use and consult a healthcare professional. Additionally, garlic can interact with certain medications, particularly blood thinners like warfarin. Garlic has natural anticoagulant properties, which may enhance the effects of these medications and increase the risk of bleeding. If you are on any prescription medications, it's crucial to discuss garlic consumption with your doctor to avoid any complications. Lastly, if you're considering making significant dietary changes that include increasing your garlic intake, it's wise to consult a healthcare provider. They can provide personalized advice based on your health history and current medications, ensuring that your approach to incorporating garlic into your diet is both safe and beneficial. In this video, we explored the remarkable significance of garlic as a natural antibiotic, both historically and scientifically. From ancient civilizations that revered its medicinal properties to modern studies confirming its effectiveness against various bacteria, garlic has proven to be a powerful ally in promoting health. We discussed practical ways to incorporate garlic into your daily routine, including raw consumption, garlic-infused oils, and supplements for those who prefer alternatives. We also shared easy recipes that highlight garlic's health benefits, such as immune-boosting garlic soup, a soothing garlic and honey mixture for sore throats, and a flavorful garlic salad dressing. As you consider adding more garlic to your diet, we encourage you to experiment with different recipes and methods to find what works best for you. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who might benefit from these health tips. Together, let's embrace the natural healing power of garlic for a healthier lifestyle.